Welcome back. Let's read. Let's look for sight words. Do you see any words that you know? At, at. He, he. From, he. This, 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 this. On, the, ah, ah. Two, it's, let's, go, on, the, girl, eggs, eggs, hens, hens, name, name, watch, watch, shell, shell. Let's call the sight words now. At, the, he, on, the, shell, makes, from, this, he, to, a, girl, its, name, let's, go, watch, the, hens, eggs, on, the. Pause the video right here and play the sight words again. Try to learn as much as you can. Let's continue. We learned that the A makes a long A vowel sound and the Y stays silent. So we hear A, A, A. Let's read the words with the A sound. J. And A and Y together says A. So we hear J, A, J, A, J, 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 S, T, St, St, A, Z, St, A, stay, stay, Z, stays, stays. When S comes at the end of words that ends with A and Y, you would hear a song like Z, 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 stays at the B, A, B, A, bay. Let's read from the top. J stays at the bay. He poo. A P, A, Z, P, A, play, plays, plays. On the G, R, Gr, A, Gr, A, gray, gray. R, tr, A, tr, A, tray, tray. He plays on the gray tray. J, A, J, A, J, makes. Can you hear A in this word? In this word, the E is silent and the A here makes a long sound. Whenever the E is at the end, silent, the vowel here, in some cases, most cases, would make a long sound calling its own name. So we hear the A saying A. A, make, make. Then we add S, makes, makes. So we do not hear any sound for the E. Makes. A shell from k, a, clay, a, clay. Let's read from the top. J makes a shell from clay. This a way, way. This a way, way. He a a a say, says, says. To a girl name. Do you hear A? Yes. So in this word, the same thing. When the E is at the end, it is silent. And then we hear the vowel here, which is A, saying its own name. So we hear A, the long sound. N, A, ne, name. Do we hear the E? No. Name. K, A, K, K. Let's read from the top. This way, this way. He says to a girl named K. It's a, a, may. A, z, a, say, z, says. A, A, K. Let's read from the top. It's May, says K. Let's go watch the hens. L A L A lay lay eggs on the A A hay hay. Let's read from the top. Let's go watch the hens lay eggs on the hay. Let's read from the top. J stays at the bay. He plays on the gray tree. J makes a shell from clay. This way, this way. He says to a girl named K. It's me, says K. Let's go watch the hens lay eggs on the hay. Now let's read a bit faster. J stays on the bay. He plays on the gray tree. J makes a shell from clay. This way, he says to a girl named K. It's me, says K. Let's go watch the hens lay eggs on the hay. Read it over and over again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have learned a lot today. Hope to see you soon. If you haven't done so yet, guys, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and comment. Let me know which videos you would love to see. Thanks for reading with me today.